What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much. You may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat
Habibis, are you ready for the trenches? We're back. We're so freaking back. We're so going up so much. We're gonna get tired of winning, and those days are coming back. Now, because the show is just getting started, you need to tell me if you can hear me or not. So if you can hear me, drop a W in the chat right now. W if you can hear me. And if you cannot hear me, drop an L so that I know and I can fix the tech. Sometimes the tech may break and it might not work. So I'm here to fix everything to make sure that we enjoy the freaking show. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. And I'm here to tell you guys 5 meme freaking coins for 2025 if you don't want to miss out. The game is now more clear than it has ever been before. If you imagine a couple of moments ago, people were debating about what are the best 5 meme coins to play right now if I don't want to miss out on the trenches. And people were like, oh, well, we don't know which one is going to be the best. You know, just buy this, just buy that. But now all of that has now changed because we have gone through the test, what I call the hockey test of cryptos. And now I'm more sure than ever that I do know which meme coins are going to make it, which meme coins are going to flip Dogecoin, which meme coins are going to go to 100 freaking X. And the funny thing about it is that the most expensive meme coin right now, as we speak, it's not even above 2 billion just yet. So you can imagine how much do we have to go? We have it here. 1 billion to 100 billion. Let's freaking go. I see the community is here. The AskCoin community is in the house. A lot of people are in the house, actually. I love to see it, bros. I love to see it. Let's freaking go. Go, 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 go. Let's freaking go. It's time to pump. I can't wait, man. Okay, so I've been beat up in the last few hours because I'm looking at Hyperliquid. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but like Hyperliquid keeps on going up. I've been looking for an opportunity to buy. I just never found it. Every time I try, it just keeps on going up. So hopefully, maybe I should just buy it at these prices and buy the bullet. Because what's the market cap now? A couple of billies? Can I handle this? $13 billion, bro. FDV 40B. And it's not even listed on larger exchanges. Tell me something I don't know. The vibes are a lot different today, bros. We're freaking pumping. So let's get straight to the market here and explore and have some fun with the data and what the freak is going on. Of course, my name is Gray BTC, and I'm here with the crypto trenches. So on number one, we got BTC at $109,000. Can you believe it? We're up and down and back up, and now we're still climbing up to the moon as normal. Bitcoin at $109,000. This is a symbol to show you that meme coins and altcoins are about to follow, and it's going to be a big pump. You don't want to miss out. And all of the coins that I have high conviction in, they haven't even moved that much. So if you're watching this video right now, you have only 24 hours to act. I also have some other interesting plays that I will give you guys on the stream. So BTC at $109,000. Ethereum is 7% up. Now, Ethereum was 7% up. Let me show you my freaking position. How is my position doing with Ethereum? How are we doing? I trade live here because I'm a real trader. I'm not like these guys, or the fake Forex traders, all those kind of guys. They just talk, they don't show you. I'm here. I'm not selling you guys anything. I'm just showing you the game. We now have made $32,000 from our Ethereum position. $15,000 realized profit and $17K unrealized profit. And right now, Ethereum is going to $3,000, $3,300. And you still have a long way to go. If you are missing out on this trade, I think this is a perfect time to join in, because the moment it breaks out of here, it's going to 3K and then 3,300. It's basically going to be a local top, and it might recede. But then the moment we break $3,000, we're not coming back to the 2K levels. Okay. So yesterday, I also opened another position here with Ton Coin, and for that, we got $267 in profit right now, and we just opened that position. It's just getting started. All of these positions are 5x. And then we got a long position in XRP, which is currently sitting at $6,000 loss. But I know we're going to make it. I know it's going to turn around and go green and make even more, right? If you want to use the same platforms that I'm using Bybit right here. The link to all platforms I use are usually in the description of my video or link in bio. Bybit is currently giving out $1,000 free to trade with position. If you sign up with my link, you fund your account and you trade up to $5,000 in volume. Not that you have to have $5,000. You just basically have to have $1,000 and trade it 5 times. Make 5 trades with $1,000 each. You hear your volume. Boom, they give you $1,000 to trade with. You can withdraw the profits because you are a prophet. You can prophesize where the market is going. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so in the last 24 hours, at the same time, the biggest winner has been Uniswap, followed by SPX 6900, followed by Sky. My first time I'm hearing this, but it already has a market cap of $1.9 billion. What's going on? All these new projects coming out of nowhere. Okay, and they're already $1.9 billion. What's going on? Sky money. They're calling it Sky money. What the hell? Okay, Sky savings rate, Sky protocol. Okay, so this is another protocol. What? Okay, nice, cute. I'll have to look into this. I have no idea what it is. The website looks too cheap, so maybe it's not that impressive. But yeah, it's pumping. It made it into the top 100 pumps today. And then you got Aave, OG, and you got Optimism and Arbitrum and Fartcoin pumping again, and then Dog with Hat, followed by Chainlink, Ethena Labs, and Hyperliquid in the down low in there as well, making the list in the top 10 pumps of the day. And then the top gainers, we got Useless Coin. Oh my gosh, it's pumping back up. And this is a sign of what's coming. More and more tokens are going to start following the same trend. We are back to the days of 100% pump in one day, bros. Just make sure you load up your coins because we're going to the freaking moon. Okay, we got MMX, we got Acceler, we got Liquid Launch, and we got Pocket Network in Housecoin. Now, you can see from this list that today is not a day for meme coins as such, because all the coins that are pumping now are all utility coins. It's not a meme coin day per se. These are all mostly utility. Meme coins are mostly on this other side today, mostly on the red because they were sort of pumping yesterday. However, I believe that tomorrow or the next 24 hours are going to be driven by memes again. So make meme coins great again. Useless Coin is already running with this 127% coming up. I think many other coins are going to follow the same trajectory. So you know what's the right thing to do? If you're watching the show right now, you want to make sure that you share it with your friends and family wherever they are. I will be the first one to do it on x.com. So I'll go on Twitter and I'm going to share that the stream is live. The stream is live. The stream is live. The stream is live. Okay, so all you guys on X, it's time to join in here, have some fun, and let's win together. Let's freaking go to the moon because we're capable of doing it. This is the cycle of winning. This is when we make millions, when others lose it. Let's freaking go, bros. Let's freaking go. In your word, can you tell me what's going on, what's working, what tickers are you guys holding, and what should I look into today? If you have some tickers you want to show me, I'm more than happy to look into that as well. Let's go. Okay, so 5 meme coins for 2025. All right, so we shared that. And then now let's go into the trenches today. What's trending? Rent was a big deal from yesterday. Everybody was talking about Rent coin. And today it seems like it's struggling below $1 million right now. And then now we got Obvious coin, we got Cat coin, we got Tolly the Trencher, and then we got Ling Gang token. And you got Useless coin, obviously, which is kind of an OG out of all of these. And you got Cat with Mask. Verse token is down 33%. Zenai, Useful coin, a lot of coins are kind of down. And Kita, which dropped a lot of value in the last few moments, now it's kind of it's waking up from the dead, so to speak. But it's $500 million market cap already. Interesting. And a lot of people talking about Moonpig. We see Leo, I see you there with Moonpig. SPX 6900, I see the SPX community is here as usual. And we got Weef Gang. Wanga, who is a member of the channel, says Weef. So if it's Weef story, we will look into all of that. So Labubu is also coming back. Wait, don't tell me that. Oh man, Labubu is up 77%, and I didn't buy enough yesterday, bro. What the hell? I prepared. I literally had, man, sleep is now costing me a lot of money. I think we're back to the days where we're not allowed to sleep anymore. What the hell is this, bro? What in the freaking hell is this? I literally was thinking about, today I need to buy more Labubu, and I just didn't do it. Now 77% up, and I'm here crying. What in the freaking world, Gray? Oh, wait. It's only at, it's 35. Yeah, yesterday was like sub 20, bro. I hate my life, man. Okay, so we got House Coin also coming out. Well, a lot of coins are actually bouncing back. So look, you got two things you can do right now, right? I'll give you the game here. I'm not even going to hesitate to tell you guys what exactly is going on in the meme coin or in the trenches overall. So we had a bunch of memes that came out. Okay, we had a bunch of memes that came out in, let's say, in the last 6 months. They have been established. Some of them are 1 year old. Those are more likely to contest for the top dog of the meme coinery. However, there are also new ones that are just booming right now, and you definitely want to be part of it. You want to be part of the action, and so on and so forth. But something you need to know very strongly, my friends, is that there are 5 coins that you want to have in your portfolio. If the goal right now, I don't know about you guys, right? I don't know about you guys, but the goal is simple. The goal is that you want to be able to capture the #1 meme coin of this cycle. There will be one that becomes the biggest of them all. And I know a lot of people out there, a lot of trenchers, they believe in diversification. You've got your hands in so many coins because you don't know which one is going to be the one. But the way you can synthesize these things is that you need to have at least 5 plays that have a higher chance of making it big. Because it's not so much as you're going to have so many wins. When it comes to meme coin or just meme coinery, the art of meme coin, I'll give you guys the art of meme coins. You hear stories of people that made it huge with meme coins. It's either Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, WIF, or Pepe. They will tell you the specific name. So you're going to get one big win. That is like the most life-changing play in your entire life. You want to make sure you capture it. Right now, I have 5 of them that stand a very, very good chance. Some of them you have heard them before because I'm really consistent with my list of which coins are going to go to the freaking moon. I've been telling you guys before. So let's freaking go with this exercise. Which one of these will make it to become the #1? I don't know. But all of these 5 will become some of the biggest meme coins in this cycle. Never say I didn't tell you about that. So let's freaking go with this meme coin exercise right now, okay? So on number 1, which is number 5, let's start from 5. Well, actually, I would just make it non-chronological at all, because I don't want to put them in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chronological order. People think that I'm picking sides. Ah, man. I keep seeing the tickers. I just don't pull the freaking trigger. Like at least GIGA chart is pumping. Yeah, good to see. At least GIGA chart we talked about yesterday. We went long. Where my GIGA position? What the hell? I want to see my GIGA position, bro, because I went in. Yesterday we talked about GIGA chart long. Now it's 14% up and it's just getting warmed up. Am I holding something interesting here? Where is my GIGA chart position? How is it doing? I want to see it. Yeah, it's working. GIGA chart pumping, great, BTC happy. Keep it simple. But I think I didn't even full port enough on this one, right? Why didn't I put all the money down? Love to see it, bro. Better believe it. Okay, so Bitcoin is up. It's like every freaking thing is up, and I'm out here. I'm not full ported yet. I'm not full ported yet, bro. And I want to go all the way in. All the way in is the way to go. Anyway. All right. So which one is this one? Or which coin should we now pay attention to a little bit more? This is the list that I compiled for the Trench Lords to make sure that you don't miss out on the greatest meme coin cycle in history of humanity. Obviously, SPX is the most obvious one. The greatest, loudest, and sound community in the trenches is SPX. You might like it. You might not like it. Nobody cares. And I know some of you guys would come out and say, well, but now, SPX is, Murad is SPX right now. So I don't think SPX is good, because if Murad sells, then what happens? I don't care about that. The reality is that SPX has created the largest cult in the meme coin community right now. Nothing is bigger than that right now. And I have my hands in multiple plays, and I pay attention to the communities and what these guys are saying. None of it is coming close to what SPX has managed to build. And you cannot buy that with money. You can buy it with only belief. So I'm saying it right now. SPX 69100 is contesting for the top dog of the meme Supercycle. Memecoin Supercycle is here. It's going to happen. One coin have to become the biggest, flip Dogecoin and hit $100 billion and beyond. SPX do stand a freaking chance. Okay. Another coin that I need you guys to pay very, very close attention to is something that you might already know also. It's Fartcoin. Fartcoin, you may not like the name, you may not like the community, but it's there. The interesting thing about Fartcoin is that, by the way, it just got listed on Coinbase, I think a couple of days ago. One thing you need to know about Fartcoin is that it's a very sort of silent buy, don't talk situation. When people fart, you never really, if you're on the plane, you never really know who did it. Fartcoin is the same. The community is stealth, so they don't talk the most. They're not posting memes too much and all that. They just buy. So it's that kind of community. We just do, we don't talk. Buy, hold Fartcoin, that's what they're doing. And the price has been appreciating. It's been flipping Bitcoin many times over when it comes to performance. So you can't say that, but Fartcoin is already at $1 billion. I told you, the target for this cycle for a meme is 100B. So all these lemmings that you guys want to come out about because you're so entrenched in the bear market mentality where everything feels high to you. And I know it's kind of inconceivable to imagine that, can a meme coin go to $1 billion? If right now it's only $1 billion or maybe less, it sounds like it's a crazy thing. But I've been in multiple bull markets, so I know that things really do get out of control. All right, so what is the next coin? The third coin is Mudang. And I've been telling you about Mudang since $28 million. $28 million. I've been telling you about it. Some of you got faded. You never believed in it. But as a meme that's unique, the first ever hippo meme to be around was Mudang. And it has the aura of across social media, free marketing by traditional media. It's available on TikTok. People are always memeing Mudang all day. And you know that's aura right there. So never say that I didn't tell you, because I am the one who comes out here and be like, yo, there you go right there. Mudang is the play of the season. You want to look into that. I've been screaming here many times. I've been crucified by it. When it went down, people were sending me threats on social media. Oh, you said Mudang or whatever, and then they sold. Only to return after and see the reality that Mudang is actually a real deal, because it did 10x in 2 weeks. Now, if you don't think that's aura, I don't know what to tell you, but you have to also remember this. So we did a 10x on Mudang within 2 weeks. It didn't even hit previous all-time high. So 10x was nothing. It was just like a warm-up. You can see the current performance. It's like, wow, bro. The performance is something you have never seen before in a very short period of time, by the way. In a very, very, very short period of time. So to me, I'm looking at the floor of Mudang. I'm like, well, how high can this? I was waiting for the test. You remember I shorted it. And I told you about it. I was like, yo, I'm shorting Mudang. I think it's a little bit too high right now. It needs to cool off. But here's what happened. Shocker to my story. This happened. It managed to magnet itself at a $200 million line. It didn't even fall through so too much. It basically bounced and it started going up. And right now we're now playing round 2. So if you miss out on Mudang and you were like, oh, $300 million, it's a lot. How do I get in? You want to get in right now. Because this is what nobody's telling you. The Mudang 2.0 pump is about to start. Come on in before we take off. Mudang second pump is about to go live again. So we did 10x last month. This time around, we're going to do something much, much bigger. You're going to get so tired of winning. So tired of winning with Mudang. So tell your friends, tell your family that Mudang is about to send again. If you're not in play, make sure you do. But I told you, Mudang is one of the biggest contestants of this cycle to make it to $100 billion. What is the next coin? Do you want to guess the next 2 coins I'm going to say, chat? If you get it right, I'll give you 1 Solana right now. Mention 2 tokens in the chat. If you get right the one that if you say exactly the ones I was about to say, I give you 1 Sol. We're making too much money right now. So I'm happy to give away the money now, because we long this, short this, everyone is working. Everything is working. Okay, I see here. I know I need you to mention 2 in one comment, not like 1 here and the other 1 second. You need to mention them both at the same time. Okay, I see some options there. Wow, it's crazy that people are now starting to think that I'm a Giga Chad. Well, like, bro, I just started with Giga recently because I'm looking at it as a good long position, just like that. Asdak, bro, come on, bro. Asdak still have to go to 10 mil, but to 10 mil at least to convince me that it's maybe something worth something. Because right now, I haven't been able to. I'm not impressed. Put it that way. Okay, let's see who got it right. Giga Chad and Chill Guy, UFD, TARS, XLM, Turbo, Goat, UFD, Giga following SPX soon. Yeah, man, I won that because I have a long and big position. I can't wait for the pump. Chill Guy and Dog, Jordan says, almost. TARS AI, interesting. Labubu, Goat, UFD, SPX. But SPX, I've already said it. Moodeng, I've already said it. Grind for that one saw, bros. Bring it out. Bring it out. Okay, so nobody got it right. Nobody got it right. I'll come out and say. I'll come out of the closet and say it myself. So the last two tokens are okay, let's do this. So the last two tokens are Chill Guy and Trump. Now, out of all these, Trump is the one that has the largest market cap right now, okay? Whereas Chill Guy has the lowest market cap as it stands, which means it's also a high risk. The chances of it making it big are also much lower because, weaker things in life don't always survive. They're more vulnerable. However, Chill Guy has the biggest upside. If you feel like you have missed it. But I mean, Moodeng is also low cap. But if you feel like, oh, that's too expensive, Chill Guy just has a good brand, has good vibes already, and I think it's going to send more likely. If that's not your cup of tea, if you're like, oh, that feels a little high risk, then the next one is Trump. Trump has the largest market cap out of the racket. But if the idea is that we're going to $100 billion for a meme coin, then Trump is still pretty much a good play because it's 10x from here to the $1 billion mark where we're talking about. So as bad as it might be, the tokenomics, a lot of insiders, it actually has some good fundamentals in terms of trading volume is pretty tight, liquidity is there, and we got the president as the greatest shield in history running it, which means at any moment he can just come out and make the biggest tweet ever and send it all the way to the moon. So, and also it seems like the Trump family, they're still supporting Trump meme coin. I thought that maybe Trump coin was over because these guys, when they become president and they collect all the billions from the liquidity pool, they will now just keep quiet and let it die a slow death to avoid shame. But it seems like they're actually standing up to it. There are rumors that they were building a wallet on top of it, which they actually said. And then after backlash, they came back and say, oh, no, we're not trying to do that. So if you had to be building a portfolio, like 5 coins that you want to play into, if you want to catch the biggest winner of this cycle, there's only one meme coin in every cycle that makes a lot of millionaires. that becomes the talk of the town, where even the dumbest guy in the village managed to get in and he made himself a millionaire. Trust me, mark this video, save this video right now, save this tweet if you're watching from Twitter, and watch this video after the bull run, and you will understand that the number one meme coin at the end of the cycle. Look at it now. I'm talking to you in the future now. I'm only going to say this part if you're watching this video in the future. Maybe a year from now, you're watching it. The bull run was really relentless. Everything went up. We have $1 billion market cap, $100 billion market cap meme coin. I'll tell you, it's either one of these. It's either a Chill Guy, SPX, or Mudang, or what's the other one? I'm forgetting my own list. Yeah, you guys know the rest. You guys, a Trump coin, or what was the other one? You guys remind me. So Mudang, Chill Guy, Trump, SPX, Fartcoin. Yeah, that is the five meme coins that you want to make sure you have in your freaking portfolio. Now, there's GIGA and all that, and a lot of people are saying a lot of big words about it. Look, I was live with you guys yesterday and also last week. I opened a big long on GIGA. So GIGA still has to prove itself to me. If it makes me a lot of money, it needs to make me at least $200,000 easy based on the longs that I have. If it makes me 200K and not crash, I'm going to take that profit, the 200K that I make from GIGA, and then I will buy more GIGA at spot. Right now, I have a small spot position on GIGA, but I have a big long position on it. So far, so good, because in the last 24 hours, GIGA is now starting to move. It's 14% up in the last 24 hours. I can see it really, really, really doing crazy damage to all the believers out there. Give us a list of five coins to $1 billion. Obviously, GIGA is one of them. It's going to go to $1 billion. Mudang is going to go to $1 billion. It's easy. Chill Guy is going to go to $1 billion. It's, if you're looking for just a sub $1 billion runner, easy. Those ones, they're just everywhere. Someone says AskCoin bounced hard. Let's look at AskCoin, because I like the AskCoin community. Oh my gosh, everything is pumping. Even PopCard is starting to move, now at $400 million almost. Yo, guys, if you're watching the stream, subscribe, like, you already know the vibes. Easy. Let's send it to the freaking moon, because we're back. If you believe that we're back, you know what to do. You gotta subscribe. Or short Chill Guy after back to all-time high, then buy more SPX. Maybe, you don't know how things are going to play out, because if the market continues with this current momentum, it might just blast through the whole ceiling at this point. Like, who knows if we hit the new all-time highs, if we're going to reverse. We might just keep on going if altcoin season calls into the loost. How much should I buy in Fartcoin, short or long? Man, bro, hot air rises. So the only smartest thing you can do with Fartcoin, have your spot position on the side and just wait. Just wait it out. Okay, so bros, is there a ticker for today that I should buy big because I have a couple of SOL that I can throw to something? If you know the ticker, just call the name and I'm gonna do it. Call the name and you know one thing I forgot to show you. I forgot to show you how we're doing on our big portfolio. How much money have we made now? Oh, $126,000. Okay, so we actually not broke technically anymore. We're now above water because 2 months ago we were sitting at 100 and 2 months ago this was okay. So I didn't know that I can do this. Is this the right way to do it? Yeah. So 2 months ago we didn't know we were at $72,000. We bounced back. And now we had $126,000. What am I holding in this racket? I'm holding Chill Guy, Zero Bro, Dogecoin, Mudang, SPX, and AI16 freaking Z. The good thing about it is that out of all these plays that I'm holding, I also have $35,000 here in stablecoin USDT. But out of all these coins, everything here hasn't moved just yet, except for like SPX is the only one that has moved significantly. So you can see now we have $34,000 in this position, but everything else hasn't really moved. So you know what that means? The next day and the next day and the next day, one of these coins are going to go bananas again, and the portfolio is going to rock up again. I love it, bros. I love it. Okay, so if you guys want to drop the tickers, we can get trenchy right now and really look at what is there to buy. What should we care about and why? Okay, let's look at AskCoin. Is this the real AskCoin? No, this can't be it. Okay, so you know what? I like Moby's screener, but I'm not too sure about. Okay, so AskCoin is kind of back to $1 million now. That's quite decent. I love it. I love it. It's always nice when it's back to those levels, man. It's not a good look whenever it's sub 1 mil. But yeah, if you have been accumulating AskCoin, I think congratulations. And especially if you're not accumulating, if you feel like it was too high, this is actually a good moment to buy some. So these are, some of those small bets you can make. It's $1 million market cap. What more can you really lose on it? Not much. If you believe in it, it has survived so many moments of like, maybe things could have gone the wrong way. Like most coins are completely dead that came out within the same period. AskCoin is the one that is still here. And the community actually is active. They try their best to be very active on Telegram, on X, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm forever a supporter of AskCoin for no reason, other than these guys are very consistent. The community is, and they watch the show every freaking day, right? So shout out to the AskCoin community. Do not stop grinding. We're going to make it, bros. I'm still holding my AskCoin. I'm still holding. I should probably buy more. But yeah, it's a good look. It's a good look right now. 1.4 M. It's a good play. We need to take this baby to like 20 million at least first. And then we can talk more. So I'll give you one bonus ticker out of the 5 that I mentioned before. And that is dog. Dog go to the moon is something that you also don't want to miss out on. If you do miss out, that's also your problem. So these are the coins that you you just want exposure because you don't really know how the bull market is going to play out. Narratives change all the time. Dog is the only meme coin on Bitcoin. So all the other memes that I've mentioned before, the 5 coins are either on Solana or Ethereum. But of course, what about Bitcoin? Bitcoin, with ordinals and runes, we should be able to have a bigger meme on Bitcoin as well, right? And the only coin that survived out of the entire ecosystem of runes and ordinals, Dog is still a survivor. So I'm going to add Dog here as a bonus to the list because it's very unique in a way that also the other KOLs are not going to tell you about it because they don't know. They don't really play in the Bitcoin ecosystem. I do. If you don't have Dog in your portfolio, you're doing yourself a disservice, my friend. Okay. This is what it looks like for Dog. These are the statistics for Dog Go to the Moon. It's still completely underwater on the year, 37% down. On 6 months, it's 51% down. So a lot of way to go until we can call it quits. But for now, Dog Go to the Moon, baby. Send it to the freaking moon. So I see a couple of tickers here, and I want to enjoy them as well. Let's see. Ordi can bounce back. The Ordi one, Ordi is a good trade. I think if you want to play Ordi, rather just long it. Spot doesn't make much sense anymore, but to long, for sure. Ordi can bounce back. Moonbag, let's see. Moonbag. Yeah, the way the Mobby shots the charts is very weird. The whole no image thing is very confusing. Moonbag, $400 million in market cap. I don't know anything about this coin. So unless you tell me the lore, what's the lore? If you tell me the lore, maybe I might investigate, bro. But for now, no. Yeah. GM, all the degens and the trench lords out there. We freaking back. Back to the trenches. Degen on base. And this is actually a good meme. It's now at 112 mil. Okay, I can wait. I can wait for the bounce on this one right there. I'll wait for the bounce. But yeah, if you're looking for base memes, this is one of the best. In fact, talking about base memes, another one you want to pay attention to, which I told you guys before, we already have it in our short list, is based fart. This is a derivative of fat coin, but on base. Where is it here? Yeah, base fat coin. It's now at $32 million. And I told you guys multiple times, if you want to pick something up, this is a good one. Now you can see it's all at play right now. It's all at play. This one pretty much, it sort of tethers the movements of Fatcoin. Whenever Fatcoin is having motion, base Fat is also moving. Whenever Fatcoin is struggling, it also kind of struggles. So if you feel like, maybe Fatcoin is a little too heavy, I'm looking for something low market cap, then this is a good play actually. And this as a strategy works also, where you can be buying base meme coins that are based off something that's already working on Solana or on Ethereum, whatever. Mudeng showed us the same story, that Solana launched their own version, and then Ethereum came to copycat, and then Base came to copycat. But they're usually short-lived. I'm still kind of impressed by how much time this one has been in existence for. So Ninzo says shitcoin. Let's see. So this is launched on Bonk, it seems. Looking so juicy. Satoshi Long BTC Crema 6 minutes ago launched. Ha. Nice ticker, Ninzo. Let's see. Bros, if you want to trade meme coins, I'm using Axiom to trade. You can find the link in my description, the link in my bio on X or on Instagram. The reason why I'm using Axiom is to hunt for the airdrop, and not besides the fact that it's the best platform right now for trading meme coins. I'm also chasing for airdrop. They have a great point system for airdrops, and I know when the market really goes up a lot, you can easily make $100,000 easy from Axiom when the airdrop comes out. So you have nothing to lose, bros. Go in there and do something about it. Okay, they've sold, they've bought, they've sold. Let's figure this out. Okay, shitcoin. Why is shitcoin trending like this? Okay, no Twitter, nothing. Nothing interesting. So we're gonna be observing it. Let's just see who are trading it. How much money? Okay, so the largest wallet has made only $4,000, followed by 3K. Rookie numbers in this racket, bro. We're looking for the real deal. Long Ando, yes. I also have a long position on Ando. I will tell you that. I have a long position on Ando. My stop loss is my liquidation price is 33 cents. So I think I have the balls to hold it and wait it out. If I lose, I lose, but I've just made a bet right now. What are the chances of Ando going to $2 versus going to 33 cents? And I've decided to take a bet. If it works out, I'm going to cash out big. If it doesn't work, I lose a small amount of money. So the beauty of the bull runs is the asymmetric of it. It's so asymmetrical. Risk low, the reward is high. So you just have to make wise and smart bets, and you shall make a lot of money. Okay, give me more tickers, bros. Give me more tickers. Give me more tickers. We need to make this money right now. The reason you want to watch this show, my friends, is because we're always the first to know when things come out. We were the first ones to talk about Labubu on this show because my friend, she came on the show with me here, and she's into TikTok, and she talked about Labubu. And then that's how we discovered it at $16 million. And this baby went all the way to 70 mil within 3 days. And it crashed down. Now we're standing here. I didn't freaking buy enough on the dip. I want to punch myself in the face for that one, man. Why always me, bro? If I see something and I'm like, oh, I'll buy it tomorrow, I go to bed. I wake up the next day. I check the charts. And then it's going up 77%. Why am I so unlucky? But I think that the days of Labubu are just getting started. So it's something that you might want to not miss out too much. You can miss out, just not too much, bros. But I don't know about you, bros. Like, I can feel it in my spirit that the market is back. I think we're going to have a ride for a little while. So enjoy it while you can. Make as much money as you can right now. And don't fumble the bag. I came here live just to give you the 5 meme coins you don't want to miss out on. For now, I need to get back to the trenches. Really, somebody say Zeus. Sure, Zeus. Which Zeus? Like Zeus on Ethereum? There's one is 27 mil, and there's another one is 6 mil. So which one are you talking about, sir? Or Zeus on Solana? Where can you buy Ascoin? You can buy it on Axiom. That's why I told you gotta have some Axiom, bro. Axiom and fund it with some Solana, and you should be good to go. Talk about Ando. I talked about Ando already. Yo, why is this shit coin play sort of kept getting stronger and stronger? Why is it not rugging? Okay, I'm just gonna test it with something so small. Let's see. With a 0.1, I bought a little bit. Let's see if it survives at 184K. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, boy. Go up. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Surprise me, surprise me, surprise me. Yeah. Ooh, I love it. I love it when the coin goes up, you know? Go up more. Can you just go to 1 million? Go, 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 go. Yeah, yeah, like that. One more. Pump. Pump more. Pump, 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 pump. If you go to $1 million right now, I will give you 10K. I will buy $10,000 worth of this coin. Go hard. Show me something. Show me something. 300K. Go, go, go. You can do it. You can do this. You can do this, bro. If you don't go, I'm going to sell. Go now. Go. Okay, I sold. I just sold. But at least we made profit. We didn't lose our little bag. New tickers, bros. Low cap. I got enough ammunition right now. You give me the money. You give me the ticker. If I like it, I will buy now. You have something you want to send? What is my opinion on Ava? Tiago Ferreira. I like Ava. I sold my positions long time ago. But now I haven't been paying attention to it, to be honest. There's a lot of new AI stuff going on, and I think they will do well. These previous AI projects, I don't know what really they have to offer or what kind of grift they will use to get money this time around. But I keep observing. But if there's one thing that I think you might want to look into, maybe, is Titcoin. I think Titcoin is extremely underrated right now. I don't even know why I didn't freaking buy it at 16 million. But instead of crying about it, maybe I should just pull the trigger and accumulate around these levels. So that's one ticker that I'm trying to accumulate more is Titcoin. FYI out there. Yep. So never say I didn't tell you about this, bros, but stay awesome. You guys are the best. We're about to experience the greatest year in our life. And we are all here to witness it. And you guys are all here. So let's win together until we get so tired of winning. To all the Moon Deng hoarders, SPX community, don't go to the moon, Ondo fam, bros. It's a vibe, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Do not sleep close to the fire tonight. You need to be locked in and trenching. Peace out.